Here's what we got to work with today. Not very much, just two simple samples. I'm gonna pitch them down a little bit. Yeah, I like it now. I'll try the reverse. I like it, but I'm just gonna skip that one on this project. And let's add some envelope. I want a slower attack on the first sample and a quicker delay, or decay, sorry, on the second one. And now I'm going to play with LFO. I'm going to add the filter value just to see what it sounds like. A little bit of pitch and amp and panning as well. I'll change the frequency just to match a little bit as well. And here's another LFO on the second sample. Let's browse for the drum samples. Now I want the pad 4 to simultaneously play pad 5. So two snares play together, and I'll add some reverb to the snare. Let's add the bass. And that's it, guys. Here's the beat for you. Keep occupied.